Alrighty. It is Tuesday. Got all this done today so far. Set a lot of bigger boulders on the bottom to retain, and then all the small stuff on top. Had someone here helping me this morning lay out all the fabric. That's about all I can do right here for now. Until we get this all cut out of here, and then there's probably one more day worth of loading trucks here. I just couldn't get trucks today, so just kind of switched gears and got done with at least what I could get done on this slope. So I'm gonna hop up here now and do the rest of the slope with this pile here, but this is going all through here. All this dirt's got to come out down the grade. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Kind of bang it all in and get it to set, so doesn't look too shabby. I'm gonna climb up out of here and get up there so I can start rocking this slope. Got about 6 loads on the ground so far. Actually went a lot farther than I thought. Just deceiving. Using bigger rock, it yields a lot farther. So the slope doesn't look steep at all on camera, but it is. Oh boy, here we go. Oh boy. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Woo! Oh man. Remember, my teeth is a main transmission gas line too. And we made it. Very tight job site here. Not a lot of room to work. Gotta get a little bit of material like so. Trim this tree line here a little bit this morning with the excavator to not scratch my machine all up. You can kind of see how steep this is. Oh boy, it wants to tip. Woo! Don't tip. Still need to do some more trimming, apparently. That's what the camera says. Oh, great. Come on. Damn wind. Kenny is sick today, so he's not working at his project. Yeah, not a very good day. hard to put on a slope like this and not have the fabric pull down. Maybe I wouldn't have so much back problems like I did if this machine wasn't such a piece of junk, bouncing me all over the place. And here's a neighbor that wants to talk, but I don't have time. Like I said, when I'm done, I'll probably do this from the bottom. Sit there and pat all that in, get it to lock together. Go with the shaking again with the hydraulics. Even the drive motors on this hop and skip. I don't know if there's a short somewhere or what, but it sure beats the crap out of you and makes it very frustrating to run. And no, I'm not in rabbit mode when that happens. Come on. Not naming names. Someone that watched my 300-hour review video said that this is the wrong size bucket on this machine and that's why it tips. Bust the thumb, but wrong size bucket. This is a 160. This is a 42-inch bucket. Every single other brand 160 I've ever ran runs a 48 and a thumb. That's all I gotta say.
How's it going, buddy?
Just working.
I thought you was gonna haul dirt today.
Couldn't get trucks.
Couldn't get a truck. What
No.
about tomorrow?
It's gonna rain.
Okay.
Probably Thursday.
Okay, I just went and opened that gate this morning early.
I honestly don't know if we'll even need to use your field anymore. We'll see.
I knew it. I knew it after I told everybody.
We'll see. I just always like having plan B. So I dozed that off down there yesterday. I still have a little bit more room, but we'll see. I'll get with you probably Thursday morning or sometime Thursday if need be, but
Yeah, I got up this morning, unlocked the gate, and got down there, ate breakfast, and I hear a truck, and I go,